What if I told you that the light bulb wasn't actually invented by just one person? Most people believe Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but the truth is far more interesting. Dozens of inventors spent decades trying to create a practical electrical light. Their success, failures, and improvement changed the world forever. Today, let's discover the fascinating history of the light bulb. In 1800, British scientist Humphrey Davy used a powerful battery called voltaic pile and connected it to two carbon rods with wires. When he touched the rods together and then slowly pulled them apart, electricity jumped across the small gap between them. This created a very bright light called an electric arc. The light was extremely bright, but it produced a lot of heat, burned the carbon rods quickly, and required large batteries. It wasn't suitable for homes. Still, it inspired inventors around the world. Over the next few decades, many inventors tried different materials to create a better light bulb. In 1840, Warren De La Rue used a thin platinum filament inside a vacuum tube. The bulb produced light successfully, but the platinum was very expensive, making it impractical for everyday use. Later, Joseph Swan in England replaced platinum with carbon filaments. His bulbs were cheaper and worked better. Joseph Swan developed one of the first practical filament light bulbs using carbon filaments. This invention marked the beginning of a worldwide race to create a long-lasting, affordable electric light bulb. In 1879, after months of experiments, Thomas Edison and his team tested thousands of materials in search of the ideal filament. They experimented with cotton thread, paper wood, bamboo, and many other materials. After thousands of failed attempts, they discovered that a carbonized bamboo filament could glow over 1200 hours, making the bulb practical for everyday use. But Edison's greatest achievement wasn't just the light bulb. He realized that people couldn't use electric bulbs without a reliable electricity supply. So, he designed an entire electrical system that include power stations to generate electricity, wires to carry it, switches to control it, sockets to hold the bulbs, and meters to measure electricity use. In 1882, Edison opened the Pearl Street Power Station in New York City, which supplied electricity to homes and businesses. This complete system made electric lighting safe, reliable, and practical, helping it spread rapidly across cities and eventually around the world. Then, scientists continued improving the design. In 1906, tungsten filament replaced carbon because they lasted longer and produced brighter light. Later came fluorescent lamps, followed by compact fluorescent bulbs. Finally, LED technology revolutionized lighting. LED bulbs consume much less electricity, generate less heat, and can last over 20,000 hours. The story of the light bulb reminds us that every great invention begins with a simple idea and the courage to keep trying despite failure. Stay curious, keep learning, and subscribe for more amazing stories about the inventions that shape our modern world.